Shining time? What does that mean? Do you want me to get off here? Where is everyone? What have you brought me here for?
It's gonna leave a mark. Oops. Oh, Aunt Edna. Maybe it's in here. Oh, cake. Oh, that's not cake. Oh, how cute. 5 little glass figurines. Oh, hello.
This is too much. I've got to get back to the island. I've got to get to Cousin. Hiya. Who are you?
I'm Lily. Who are you?
See, Junior. Did I drop some sunglasses when I came in here?
I don't know.
Oh, well. I might as well use some more of this stuff. See you, Lily.
But what is this stuff?
The magic is gone. Why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't help without my gold dust. What is the source of my gold dust?
Is someone there?
Thomas, is that you?
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas?
Oh, Mr. Conductor, where are you?
Thomas? How could I possibly say that I'm really useful now?
Excuse me. Are you Lily?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. I'm Stacy Jones. I'm manager here. Your grandpa's very upset. You must have gotten on the wrong train. I better take you back to Muffle Mountain.
Thank you. Stacy, did you know my grandma?
My mother did. She said Tasha was a wonderful dancer.
I think Grandpa liked to call Grandma Lady.
Lady?
Yes, I heard him say that name when they were talking.
I wish... Oh, never mind.
Turn right here. You can't miss it.
Stacy, I'm a little nervous.
Well, maybe your grandpa is too. It's been a while since you've seen each other.
Thanks a lot.
Hello, Burnett.
Stacy. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Grandpa.
Well, have a good evening, Burnett.
Thanks, Stacy. Good night.
Stacy. You said I wish.
I wish? Oh, yes. I wish you'd come back and see us tomorrow at Shining Time. If your grandpa lets you.
Grandpa. This is a friendship bracelet. Grandma taught me how to make one when I was little. This one's for you.
Thank you, Lily.